The first day of December is Romania's National Day. This day represents the unification of the five provinces, which had been separated until 1st of December 1819.
The mayor of Dej and the institution of the city lay flowers at the statue downtown.
Here is the Romanian Army's parade because this is an important military center. People are very impressed and the children enjoy every moment.
Popular artists, interpreters, and dancers offer a wonderful show every year. All this time, people can eat traditional food, stuffed cabbage, sarmale, and drink hot wine. All this offered by the City Hall of Dej.
The Harvest Day has become a beautiful tradition of our city, which we celebrate every year. It is an event which wants to promote local producers with quality products in our area. Besides traders with vegetables and fruit from their production, the citizens of Dej enjoy the popular performance of Someșana folk group.
The Flower Hill is the biggest neighborhood in Dej. It has a sad legend about Rosa, a young girl who had to marry a Hungarian nobleman against her wish. She was in love with a poor young man, Jano. Because she couldn't marry Jano, she drowned herself in the Someș water.
The revolt from Bobona 47-3 is important because it was the first peasant revolt against the nobles.
Dracula is the main character of Bram Stoker's novel. Count Dracula is a vampire and he lives in a beautiful castle in the Transylvania mountains. The castle is called Bran Castle, and because of this fictional character, it became a very important touristic attraction. Vlad Tepes used to be a Transylvania ruler, a very cruel one. There was a confusion between Dracula and Vlad Tepes. Dracula character is born from the vampire myths and he is not related to Vlad Tepes. Săpânța is a village from the Maramureș area. It is famous because of Mary Cemetery, which is a major touristic attraction. The cemetery dates back in the 1930s and is the creation of Stan Pătraș and Dumitru Pop. The cemetery is famous because the crosses carved present scenes from the deceased life and they are painted in a special blue called Săpânța blue. The cemetery is called Mary because it represents a cheerful attitude in front of death. The poems written on these crosses show this characteristic.
The evil eye is a famous superstition. It is considered the transfer of mysterious energy. It is considered a paranormal phenomenon. The evil eye affects both people and animals. People use protection against the evil eye. All kinds of amulets worn at the neck or hands of people, usually having a red thread. Some specific gestures are saying the Our Father prayer.
Saint Andrew's Day is on 13th of November. This day is also called the Day of the Wolf. People think that in this night ghosts come and visit their relatives. To keep these spirits away, people use garlic for its miraculous properties. The garlic is put at the doors or windows or all over the house. This day is special for the unmarried girls who put basil under their pillows to dream their future husband.